atrial systole बराबर atrial systole बराबर 0.1 0.1
0.1 second.
दूर.
Then
Second number, right? Ventricular systole. Ventricular systole.
ventricular
Systole.
systole.
Ventricular systole, right? Ventricular systole equal to or 0.3 second. Ventricular systole equal to 0.3 second.
Where are you?
Okay. Third, right? In third number, complete cardiac systole equal to
Complete
cardiac systole equal to
cardiac systole
diastole
equal to
0.4 second.
0.4 second.
Yeah. Written.
Yes, sir.
Now, layer of heart. Layer of heart.
Layer of heart. Yes, sir.
Layer of heart, right? There it is made up. भनेको मुट्टु is made up. Heart is made up of 3 layers. Heart is made up of 3 layers.
It is made of 3 layers. Yes, sir.
First, right? Outer layer. Outer layer.
Outer के outer.
Not outer. Outer season. Outer.
Outer.
O-U-T-E-R. Outer. Outer.
नहीं
नहीं नहीं. O-U-T-E-R. Outer.
O-U-T. What? Just something?
Sir, inquest right. Pericardium. Inquest right. Pericardium.
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
P-E-R-I-C-A-R-D-I-U-M. P-E-R-I-C-A-R-D-I-U-M. Pericardium. Pericardium. लिखियो. Equal to there. Equal to there. Equal to there. Made up from serous membrane. Made up serous membrane.
Serous membranes.
Made up of from serous membrane. Made up serous. लिखियो. Okay. Now second, in second, right? Layer.
क्या?
Middle layer. Middle. Yeah. Ideally middle layer. In first, right? Myocardium. In first, right? Myocardium.
Sir, mine explain.
M-Y-O-C-A-R-D-I-U-M. Myocardium. M-Y-O-C-A-R-D-I-U-M. Myocardium. Equal to their made up from muscles. Made up from cardiac muscle.
Made of from
Cardiac muscle. चलो.
भैया
Which is thick in nature? Which is thick in nature?
which
Is thick. Is thick in nature.
thick in nature. भैया thick in nature.
Okay. Now third right. Inner layer.
Inner layer what?
First right. Endocardium.
Endocardic layer.
Cardium. Endocardium.
वो भैया
Yeah. Equal to दिया लिखा इनइक्वल टू made up from squamous epithelium tissue.
made up from
Epithelium tissue.
epithelium. Epithelium layer. Hello, epithelium layer.
Up from
From
squamous
how much?
made up of squamous epithelium tissue.
Made out of
Up from squamous epithelium tissue. Made up from squamous epithelium tissue. Written Janki and your other also, to whose name I don't know.
Pragatisa.
Pragatisa. And your Parusia?
Lakshmi. Ma Sanjana
Lakshmi.
Thakur.
Yeah.
Sanjana.
Then Lakshmi who and Sanjana who?
Ma चाहिँ Sanjana.
Lakshmi को भयो.
लक्ष्मी आए छैन. तुझे जात क्या
And
लक्ष्मी.
yeah, Janki is good student, I think. No? Name done, but from class I remembered something about them. And Pragati has secured that highest mark, no, in class
ऐसा.
terminal exam. No? Yeah. Okay. Sanjana, how much your mark in terminal? Have you lost?
के थियो न जुन दिन क्लासमा एक्जाम भयो नि त्यो एक्जाम पेपर त हेराएर थियो त क्लासमा एक्जाम भयो त म त्यो दिन एब्सेन्ट थिएँ.
एग्जाम पेपर हरायो त एग्जाम दिन तिमी पनि हराइसक्यो. No? Okay, up to here, have you any confusion? केही छ नबुझेको? छ के समस्या धेरै छ भन्नमा इन्सल्ट लाग्छ हो?
हैन सर. हो सर.
ओ जानकीलाई छ त्यस्तो त्यस्तो छ भने बी फ्रेङ्क. I always want to be frank with all of them. So I always suggest you try to ask any question, even from simple to complex, at any time. No, in class I suggest same thing, and in online class also I want to suggest you something. Have you any confusion from simple to complex? Then be frank first and try to ask any question. Then feel fine. Okay, Janki, understood now?
Yes sir.
Now there is question from where you haven't understood, or you need one day time to read in home, then after you will ask.
Okay sir.
Yeah, that is your use, I think. Today you will study in home self, then after what will be your confusion, tomorrow you will ask. No? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then okay. Today study well, and that is important for your essay also and tomorrow also. Now to last thing we have to here study about function of heart. Function
Function of
function of heart. Functions of heart.
heart. Function of heart.
Heart. Functions of
बोल क्या
functions of heart. In functions, right? Acts as a compression pump. Acts as a compression pump. Acts as a compression pump.
अच्छा
In function, acts as a compression pump.
बस तो नहीं रहा है ना
ACTS acts as a compression pump. Acts
are the company
as a
is a
acts as a compression pump. COMPRASSION. Compression. COMPRESSION. Compression pump. Pump.
form compression form
Yeah, now hearing.
compression form
Yeah, compression pump. Acts as a compression pump. Same like we can say tape, दमकल. कसरी पानी प्रोड्युस गर्छ त्यो त हेर्दै होला कि छैन
हजुर सुनाएन
सुनाएन दमकलले कसरी पानी प्रोड्युस गर्छ एकैचोटि धेरै पानी from the damkal how